You're the most caring man I know. I have no doubts you will look after me. I trust you implicitly and feel completely lucky and proud to say you are my life partner. I'm so excited to spend the rest of our lives together. We have already made so many memories, yet so many are still to come. Here's to the rest of our lives together.
Who would have thought 2.5 years ago we would have got married on a beach, planned a year away travelling the world, bought a house and now getting married again? Thank you for being you and giving me your support and love. It's been a challenging few months, but we've always had each other's backs. You've been and always will be my best friend. Your husband, Amo. See you soon. I'll be the handsome man in a red bag.